Have you ever stared at your phone, waiting for that message, like really staring, checking the screen, locking it, unlocking it again, just in case? You swipe down to refresh, still nothing, your mind's racing. Maybe their phone died. Maybe they're busy. Maybe they saw it and chose not to reply. And even though you try to act unbothered, you're wondering, why haven't they said anything? You're picturing them holding their phone, laughing at a meme, liking someone else's story, anything but texting you back, wishing they'd just text or call right now, like right now, before you drive yourself crazy making up fake scenarios in your head. Well, what if I told you there's something you can do right now that might make your phone buzz in the next 30 seconds? No, this isn't one of those type their name 3 times under your pillow kind of things. It's not woo-woo magic. It's something way simpler, and honestly kinda strange. I'm not joking. This little trick has shocked people. Some say it's coincidence. Others say it's energy. Some people don't even try to explain it. They just keep doing it because it weirdly works. But one thing's for sure. Once you try it, something strange happens. Have you ever had that gut feeling like someone was thinking about you, and then they actually texted you, out of nowhere? Almost like they felt you thinking about them. Yeah. This is kinda like that, but here's the twist. You're in control. Not hoping, not waiting, not leaving it up to the universe to send a sign. You're sending the signal, deliberately. And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to send out that pull, that invisible signal that makes your person suddenly feel the urge to message or call you fast. Like spooky fast. It works whether they ghosted you, blocked you, or don't even know you that well. I know, it sounds insane. You're probably thinking, there's no way this can work. And that's totally fair. I was skeptical too. But stick with me for just a few minutes and judge for yourself. Try it and let me know what happens. Deal? All right, so here's the backstory. A friend of mine, who's really into this whole manifestation and energy thing, told me about this technique. He was like, just try it. Trust the energy, trust your intention. You'll see what I mean. At first, I thought he was messing with me, like it sounded way too simple to be real. Then I tried it, and the person I was thinking about texted me 17 seconds later. 17 seconds later. My phone lit up with their name. I just stared at it, frozen. Did I just make that happen? Coincidence? Maybe. But then it happened again and again. So I started asking around. I wanted to know if other people were getting the same kind of results, or if I was just lucky. Turns out more people have been doing it, and the stories are wild. One girl got a call from an ex that had blocked her 6 months ago. Not just ghosted, blocked. No contact. Then, out of nowhere, he calls her like nothing happened. Another guy used it before a job interview. He hadn't heard back from the recruiter in weeks. He did the technique that morning and got a call back by lunch. We're not claiming magic here, but something's definitely going on. Let me ask you something. Do you think thoughts carry energy? Like, can your focus, your emotional attention, actually reach someone even if you're not speaking, even if you're miles apart? If your answer is even slightly yes, then you're already halfway there. Because this technique isn't about forcing someone. It's about tapping into the energy you already send out, on purpose. All right, here's what you do. No crystals, no weird chants, no sage burning or moon water, just you, your phone, and a little focus. Step 1, grab your phone right now. Got it? Good. Step 2, think of the person, not just their name, not just the memory of them. Feel them. Visualize their face, the way they look when they laugh, their voice when they say your name, the way their energy feels when they're close to you. You know that vibe they have? Bring that up in your mind right now. You're not just thinking, you're connecting. Step 3. Now, trace their name on the back of your phone with your finger. First name, last name, whatever feels right. But don't just scribble it. Be intentional. Feel every letter as you draw it, like you're programming your phone with their energy. Let your brain and your finger sync up with one clear thought. Them. Calling you. Right now. Slow and focused. No rushing, no second guessing. This is your moment. You're sending the signal now. Step 4. Look at your phone and say, call me, or text me. That's it. Keep it simple. Just 3 words, out loud. Yeah, I know. It might feel awkward, especially if someone's around. You might look around first, check if anyone's watching. You might even whisper it the first time like, call me. But trust me, say it out loud, like you mean it. Even if your voice shakes a little or your brain goes, this is dumb, do it anyway. Why? Because it's not about what it looks like. It's about what it does. Saying it out loud makes it real. It shifts something in your body. Your intention becomes louder, clearer. It goes from thought to sound to signal. And that's where things start to get weird, in a good way. Step 5. Now. This is the part that makes it weirdly powerful. Take a deep breath, slow, calm, all the way in. Hold it for a second. And then blow on your phone. Yep, just like that. A soft exhale, like you're sending the energy straight through it. You're not being dramatic, you're being deliberate. Almost like you're saying, here. Go like you're handing off your message to the universe or whatever force you believe in and telling it to move. Then put it down. Face down, face up. Doesn't matter. Just don't touch it. Seriously, don't keep staring, don't refresh, don't overthink it, and especially don't sit there waiting, biting your lip, wondering if you did it right. Just walk away, go get some water, take a lap, start scrolling something completely unrelated, literally forget you even did it. Because that right there is part of the magic. Why does this work? Because you're not hoping, you're not begging, you're not sending out desperate vibes like, please text me, please notice me, please care. You're choosing certainty. It's not if they'll call or text, it's when. And when your energy is calm and sure, something shifts. You ever notice how people text you the moment you stop caring? Like when you finally give up, or decide to move on, or delete the chat. Ding. There they are. It's almost annoying, right? Well, this is like flipping that switch on demand. You're not waiting for your mind to move on. You're telling your energy, we're already good. Let them come. And that confidence, it's loud, even when you're silent. Have you ever had someone randomly text you out of nowhere, and you just thought of them a few minutes before? Yeah. You feel it before it happens, like you're tuned into something you can't explain. If that's happened to you, comment yes down below. Or if you're going to try this today, just type trying it now in the comments. And seriously, if it works, don't gatekeep. Come back and tell us what happened. We want to hear the crazy stories, the you won't believe this messages, the wild comebacks, the calls from out of nowhere. Because yeah, it gets that real. If this even slightly messed with your head, in a good way, go ahead and hit subscribe. We drop real techniques like this all the time. Little things that sound crazy until you try them. And then your whole mindset shifts. And trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. And listen, if you're the kind of person who needs to know what most people will never figure out, join the channel. Seriously. The stuff we post for members? It doesn't show up in the regular feed. No algorithms, no distractions. Just the deeper, unfiltered tricks that actually work. Stuff people don't talk about. Stuff that hits different. Stuff that makes you go, wait, how did I not know this before? Once you see what's in there, You'll wonder why you didn't join sooner. See you in the next video, unless you're still thinking about it, while everyone else already knows the next secret. Hehehe.